Hey guys, just got a quick unboxing video for you. I've been using this old Sony microphone. Let's see how well that turns out. What do you think about that? No? Yes. I've had this microphone for like 20 years. I had it in college. I bought it to record some concerts and then put it away for a long time. So it's not really effective for this because the wire, and I want to have something that's going to be a little bit more versatile. And this seemed like the best option. So let's get in there and see what we have. I've been doing a lot of research on this and saw that this went on sale for 20% off on Amazon over the weekend. And that was all she wrote. So a little bit about this. It has 2 channels. It has lossless pickup, so it does left and right. How do I open this without breaking? There is noise reduction on it, so you can turn noise cancellation off as you're recording. There we go. I thought it was Velcro. Or magnet, sorry. It clips on magnetically, so you can wear it just like a lavalier mic on your person. You get 15 hours of battery life, including with the case. The case is a charger also. We'll come back to that in just a minute. I like to see the boxes too. There's a couple different covers that you can get. You can mix it up. There is a distance of 656 feet that you can travel while using this. You gotta have a pretty good zoom. I watched some videos. My guy at Semi-Pro Tech and Gear, he did a breakdown with some microphones. It's just an empty egg bag. An empty egg bag. Yeah, he did some testing with it, how far away he was from the camera, and as far as he was, you couldn't even see him. I mean, so far, I know you can zoom in and stuff, but you get quite a distance with these. Let's see, this is probably to connect it to a camera. What do we got? These, they call them the dead cats here. Let's see. I just want to see what's in here, guys. I want to open it carefully in case I don't want to keep this. Yes, a couple of dead cats. Windscreen covers for the mics. And then what's this? Another cord. Another chord. Charging chord, USB-C, USB-C, okay. I need a bunch of those. Okay, here is, oh wait, what's this? It can't be the manual because there's one in there already. Oh, these are the swappable covers. So you only get one of each. I guess you don't need many different covers, but yeah, you can swap out the covers. Just put different, they're magnetic, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Open this up. First impressions. I like it. I like the way it feels. It's got a lot of great weight to it. This lid feels secure. There's something moving around in there, but it's these pieces here. Huh. I like, it's even smaller than I thought it was going to be. So these clips here are magnetic and they're clippy. So you can clip it onto your shirt or what have you, or you can just put this on one side and put this on the other side, and and magnet, and then this will be on the outside, and this will hold it on. And man, that is a strong magnet. Whew. I like it. It's pretty sturdy. It has a spot that it wants to stay. There's 4 spots that it wants to stay based on where you put it, right? It's locked right there, and then I can pick it up and move it like a quarter turn, and then it locks again. Okay, cool, cool, cool. There's a peel here on the charging port. Is that a peel? Yeah. Peel. Get off me. We'll just leave that there. Okay. I want to make sure these are all charged up. Peel you off. Stick you there. So these are the microphones here. This is the base station, I guess you could call it. That's what I'm going to call it. Reminds me of the old Apple Airport base station. Isn't that what they used to call it? Those are the same. Are they different? I'm going to try and turn this on. I wonder, oh, okay. So here's the dongles. This is a really cool thing. So there's a USB-C and there's a Lightning. And then these look like they also connect. Oh no, you push it in. Okay, you put it in, it only goes in one way. And then you turn it. And you turn it whichever way you want it to come. There, I guess it only goes one way. Yeah, one way. And then that sticks into my phone. Just turn on power. English. Yes, actually I'm English. Oh. Check mark. Okay, swipe. Okay. Hey, it's already picking me up. I guess these go on automatically. And now this one is higher. It's this one. Okay. And now this one is higher. Gosh. I turn that. Is that mute? It's red and blue. I guess that's mute. I saw somebody was upset that that button is so easy to push. They could very easily mute themselves. So I guess that's something to look out for. Here I have a notch for lavalier and windscreen. So for that windscreen, I just pop it right on there. That's all there is to it. I also got myself a windscreen set. I also got a lavalier microphone set so that when I am recording on the go, man, there's a lot of shit in here. When I'm recording on the go, look at these little microphones here. I can just plug it into here. And then this is my microphone. Look at that. I can talk into this and the volume goes up. So I have a couple different options here for recording now, which I didn't have before. And this USB-C, whenever I get a USB-C phone, or I could use this with my my iPad, or even with my computer, right? These will hold 7 hours of music or video or voice, not video, but voice. So this will record directly to it. But if you're recording to your phone also, like if I have this device plugged into my phone, then it's recording and syncing directly to the phone. So I don't need to record both ways. But I can record both ways. And it's pretty cool. I can then sync it up when I come back to it. 15 hours, I think I already said there's 15 hours of power here. It's 6 hours per charge. It's funny, there's 6 hours per charge, but you can hold 7 hours of files. Interesting. How easy does this cover come off? I don't care. I'm not going to mess with that right now. Well, we've got some work to do, guys. I'm going to make another video pretty soon with this as my recording device. We're going to retire this microphone for a while. It served me well. It's fun to know that they still basically make the same kind of microphone. Sony still sells the same microphone. Check this out. So it's not the exact same, but it has that left and right functionality, left and right. And I just thought that was interesting that that's still something that they sell, but that's Sony for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you have any comments, leave a comment. Liking it when people are liking my channel and subscribing, that makes me feel really special. So if you want to like and subscribe and see some more content about the electronic stuff and the keyboards and music equipment, come on back and check us out.